Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So today I'm going to be giving you a vocal exercise that can really help with reducing tongue tension. So how do you know if you have tongue tension? Well, some of the potential signs that you can look out for is that if your sound is a little bit more on the dark or muffled sound, if you're finding that vocalizing just becomes more effortful, if you have a tendency to sing flat, and if you're just struggling to really articulate. Those can be some of the potential signs of tongue tension, and if you are experiencing any of those, then give this exercise a try that we're about to do. Hey, I just wanted to say, if you want ongoing help when it comes to your vocal training, you want that support, then why not download our Voice Savvy app? Our Voice Savvy app is all about equipping and empowering you with the voice, health, and mindset tools to really unlock your unique singing potential and elevate your life. Now, when you join as a member, as a VIP member, you're going to get access to our exclusive content, which is teaching videos, vocal workouts, vocal warm-ups. We also have live streams that we do on a weekly basis, which is for mindset coaching, vocal training, and also fitness classes. You can even do some fitness classes with us, and we have our mastermind groups also. Plus, you can join our exclusive community and just really interact with other members, interact with moi. I will be available on there directly, and just get ongoing help and support. Track your progress. This is another one. Track your progress and stay accountable, all for just £28.99 a month. But you can get the 7-day free trial and check it out on the App Store and Google Play. Anyway, I will see you there. So this exercise is called the tongue remover, and we're basically just getting our tongue out of the way whilst we vocalize. And as you can tell, I have this silicone oven glove, and this is just gonna help me to keep my tongue out. So the sound that we're gonna go for is, we're gonna go for a na na na, na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na. So just give that a go a couple of times. If you need to pause the video just to get used to it, then you can do so, but make sure that your tongue is out as comfortably as possible. And also, it would be helpful for you to try and hold your tongue out because it will want to go back in again. So I've got my oven glove. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, back down. I can keep that going. My tongue keeps wanting to come back in. Gonna join back in again now. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na. So it's really important that you hold your tongue out, because just like you've probably seen with me, my tongue just wants to keep going back in. Stay out. But yeah, that's the exercise. So you can also try it on your favorite song melody. I think the first song that's kind of coming to my head right now is Adele, Someone Like You. So let me just quickly show you how you can do it on the song melody. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. It's a little bit messy, but it works. That's it. So that was the exercise. Hopefully you found it beneficial. If you do it on a daily basis consistently, it will make such a big difference, especially if tongue tension is something that you're dealing with at the moment. But if you're new to this channel, welcome. And please consider subscribing. It would help us out massively. And hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the videos that we're posting up on here. Like and share the videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. But until next time, I think that's pretty much it. I think I did put this in the video, but I have a Voice Savvy app out right now, which is all about helping you when it comes to your voice, health, and mindset. So check that out on the Google Apple. Check that out on the App Store and on Google Play, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.